Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code using the Valora app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Valora app and then go to the home page, and the home page go to the bottom right corner, which is this little QR code icon. And here, when you open it, it's going to open at your own QR code. So this is how you can see your own QR code. But to scan the QR code, you just have to tap on the top of the screen to open the scanner, and it's going to access your phone or tablet camera, and you can use that to scan a QR code with it very easily. As you can see, it may ask you to give access to your phone camera, but after you have given permission, it's going to use your camera and you can scan QR codes all day long. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.